I first commenced working at Collier Miller as a junior receptionist and completed a Certificate 3 in Business Administration. My role has since developed and I'm now an administration officer and have just commenced studies towards a diploma of business.
Everyone at Collier Miller is like one big family. Everyone will go above and beyond to help you out. My name is James. I am a cadet engineer here at Collier Miller and I've been working full-time for almost 2 years.
I'm Daniella and I've been working at Collier Miller for 4 years.
I'm Brady, 4th year apprentice at Collier Miller, been here for 3 years. I think people should work at Collier Miller because of the modern facilities, the new machines we get to work with, the great teamwork, good hours. I was originally a chef, got the opportunity to become an adult apprentice at Collier Miller and been loving it ever since.
Hi, my name's Silvia. I look after the trade tools section and I've been at Collier Miller for about 21 years. I started at Collier Miller building header chains, then I did some training and worked into retail. I really enjoy working at Collier Miller, great place to work.
Hi, my name is Blake Sinandra and I've been working at Collier Miller for 5 years.
Hi, I'm Paul Plummer. I'm the welding and fabrication manager. I've been here for 20 years.
Collier & Miller is more than a job. It's a devoted workplace providing opportunity to grow and pursue your career goals.